Hello, so private practice driving lessons are allowed to resume from today, which is Monday, March 29th, 2021. I've just had this email from the DVSA and I'll put a link to this in the description below, but quite simply it says, update on private practice in England. From today, 29th March, essential journey guidance is changing in England. This means that learner drivers in England are able to take private practice during non-essential journeys. The private practice must still be with someone from their own household or support bubble. And he goes on to say about they're emailing people who have got a theory test and practical driving test. So yeah, from today, you can now go out practicing with your parents, so long as you live with them, that is. You've got to still apply to these rules. So just a quick update. Driving lessons should resume 2 weeks today, but will they? It's not certain yet. No one knows for sure, but I'll keep you up to date with the latest news over the coming weeks. So check out these other videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.